If it were up to me, I would totally be okay displaying this somewhere in the house. Hey everybody, I'm Gunnarolla. Halloween is right around the corner. And let's face it, this year was trash. So on today's show, we're gonna take that trash and make a trash pumpkin. That's right, we're gonna test a handmade project to find out, does it really work? Is it as easy as everyone makes it look? I think this one's gonna be easy. Let's get testing.
Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn a bag of trash into a pumpkin.
So we've got our plastic bag, and I figured why not fill it with all of the trash from this year. Bad news, canceled flight itinerary, hotel booking, didn't get a refund for that one. Cruise ship, job contract, all the things that we did not need this year. So our bag is full, and we're gonna tie this to create a stem. Let's just add some tape to keep this together. What a beautiful sack of trash. Next step.
Now grab some twine. So this is how we're going to make the ribs of our pumpkin to give it that nice sectioned look.
So we're gonna loop this around like so, and then go across like that. Cut this off and tie this over here. Okay, our little trash pumpkin is starting to take shape. We'll do that one more time. This way, and then this way. All right, so we've achieved the general shape of a plump little pumpkin. If it were up to me, I would totally be okay displaying this somewhere. Let's take a look at the next step.
Paper Mache Pulp. This is 100% paper pulp that you just mix with water and can form around different things.
All right, we've got some paper mache pulp here. Let's add some water. So we'll just mash this together. Okay, what's going on? This one's a little smoky. Okay, so this definitely has the consistency of a hamburger patty. Our hands are messy. It's time to build a pumpkin.
So we're going to cover the top half of the pumpkin, and you want to leave the stem uncovered until the end so you can use it to turn the pumpkin around.
I don't know if this should be so lumpy. I'm hoping I've achieved the right consistency here, because something tells me maybe it's not supposed to be that sticky. All right, so we're gonna cover the top half, let it set, and then complete the bottom. Shouldn't be too tricky at all.
Hello everyone, I'm Gunnarolla. 50 long years ago, I set out to turn a bag of trash into a pumpkin. It's now 50 long years later, and the paper mache pulp has finally set, which means we finally have a pumpkin.
So as you can see, this pumpkin is looking a little diseased, deflated, discounted. Definitely handmade. So 2 things I learned in the process of making this. Number 1, your trash bag needs to be packed tight because the paper mache pulp is quite dense and will start to weigh down, and the pumpkin will definitely lose its shape if your trash bag isn't full. And 2, it's gonna take a long time to set. A very long time to set, especially if you don't have the ratio of paper mache pulp to water correct. So make sure you read the instructions before you start plopping everything on, because my pumpkin is quite lumpy and cracky. Anyway, now we get to move on to the fun part, the paint.
Could I paint that trash pumpkin orange? Yes! Yes, you can paint your trash pumpkin orange.
So hopefully some color will pick this pumpkin right up and make it look a little less baked. Let's get our orange, and here we go. Oh, wow. That doesn't look right. The orange may have been a mistake because now it's just making even more obvious all the little crevices and bumps on this pumpkin. You know, it may be too soon to judge. It may be too soon to judge. Oh, bits of the pumpkin are falling off, that's great. I don't know about this. Wow, what a beautiful pumpkin, is what I might say if mine didn't look like a squashed Cheeto. All right, and there we have it. A pumpkin made from trash, very obviously. I think the process of painting it actually reactivated the paper mache pulp. There are a lot of little crevices where I just couldn't get paint, but you know what? I had an experience. We're just missing one little detail. Perfect. In the comments below, let me know how I did or not. You really don't have to. Let me know what other projects we should test. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Stay crafty.